What's good, YouTube? It's Facebook Trade, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as you can see from the thumbnail, I guess you already know what we will be talking about today in this video. How I caught 300 pips in the forex market. So, hopefully, you gain value and hopefully, you understand what I'm about to teach. For the returning subscribers or for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys. You guys are the real OGs. And thank you for watching my channel and thank you for your likes and shares and comments. It's a big motivation and I really appreciate you guys. For new person, sorry, I appreciate you guys for clicking on this particular video and hopefully you gain value from this video. And if you're a newbie trader and you don't understand what is going to be going on, because it's going to be a bit technical, because I'll be telling you the technical analysis or the technical part, how I took that trade. Today is not going to be psychology, because you know I mostly do psychology here on my channel, but today is going to be technical. It's going to be a bit technical, and if you are not understanding what I'm saying, I think you should go watch my basic so basic trading video. You know, it's on the playlist on my channel. Go check it out and come back and watch this video and you'll be able to understand whatever I'm doing. So that being said, let's go down to the video.
So here my computer screen, I'm going to explain how I got this particular movement here. About 267 pips. That'll be the only one I'll be explaining. So first, shout out to HCNFX Academy. That's her I think that's her handle, HCNFX. So shout out to her. She's the one I learned this particular thing I use in taking this trade from. So without further ado, let's just get down. First of all, I did a little bit of top-down analysis, that is going to the higher time frame to know the direction of the market on the higher time frame. That will give you an edge to place your trade on the lower time frame, because I place my trades on the 15 minutes time frame. So I went to the monthly time frame, the monthly. So I discovered on the monthly that we were bearish, right? You're gonna see a trend line I drew. We were bearish on the monthly time frame. I immediately went to the weekly. I'm not gonna waste time on this analysis. So I went to the weekly time frame. So basically what HCNFX talks about on our Instagram most times is identify a breakout structure, then wait for price to retrace to the origin that created that breakout structure, and you take your trade. So right here I identified this breakout structure and I was expecting price to retrace into the origin that created that breakout structure. So we have a lot of origins right here. We have this origin, we have this origin, we have this origin, this origin. So the reason why I went with this origin is because if price takes out this particular place going to this place, we're having like a change of character. Market is trying to change direction. So I just marked out this most recent origin right here, and I saw this fair value gap aligning with that particular origin. As you can see, this is a fair value gap right here. So now I anticipated that price will get to that fair value gap before price goes down, and if you can see, that's exactly what happened. Price got there and price started dumping. So my initial bias was a sell bias. So my initial bias was a sell bias. So I was anticipating price to get to a point of interest, that's POI, where I will take a sell from. So while going lower, I went to the daily time frame. While going lower, I started discovering that market was creating higher highs and higher lows, that is breaking structure to the upside, So I started marking out origins that were creating certain breakout structures. So I changed my bias to a bullish bias, that is I was looking for opportunities to take a buy. So that when instead of waiting for price to get to my point of interest, I want to take a sell from the catch a little bit of some buys, then I'll take a sell from there. So I went down to the daily time frame. All I did was just mark out certain origins, and I went to the 4 hours, 4 hour. From the 4 hour time frame, what did I see? And 4 hour time frame, I didn't really do much. So 1 hour, still bullish, we're still bullish, right? So here on the 1 hour, normally I told you I take my trades on the 15 minutes time frame. So I didn't really do much on the 1 hour. I just confirmed that we are still bullish. So I then head down to the 15 minutes time frame. So here on the 15-minute time frame, this is where the magic happened. This is where the magic happened. Yeah. So here on the 15 minutes time frame, what did I see? As you can see, I mapped out certain breakup structure. As you can see, this is a breakup structure. Most times I don't have strength to be marking out all these things on the chart. I just plot it in my eyes and I know what I'm looking out for. All these things you see I'm marking out are just because of educational purposes, because I want to explain to you guys how I do the trade. But most times I don't really have markings on my chart. So that's just it. If I'm doing marking, I just put it there, just for, I don't know, just to fulfill a righteousness. But most times when I look at chart, I know what I'm looking out for, even without putting markings. You get. So as you can see here from here, what I saw this breakup structure to the outside, market retraced, coming down, broke structure again. So before I took this trade, this was what happened in the market. This particular place here, this place. Let me just draw a circle right there. This was where the market was, around this area. That was what was happening. So as you can see, I've mapped out this breakup structure already, and I'm waiting for price to retrace back into the origin that created that particular breakup structure, which is this place. So as you can see, exactly what market did. Markets came down but failed to tap me in. But don't panic. As she will always say, she said, even if market doesn't tap you in, don't panic. Market will always give you an opportunity to enter again, and that's very true. As you can see, market failed. Market went back up, then came in and tapped us in right here at the origin. Then that was how we got this trade. And normally HCMFX Academy, she will always put our take profit at the next high. So that's why I put my take profit here. And the way I trade, if my take profit is supposed to be here, I put it a little bit below, few pips below, So, but you remember the reason why I extended the trade to this point. If you remember earlier, I said my initial bias was a sell bias, so I was anticipating price to get to my point of interest, which is this region here, before I take a sell. So that was the reason why I extended my take profit to this place, and you can see price smash TP1, smash TP2. This second trade I took is a little bit complicated, which if I confirm the strategy I used to take this second trade, I will explain it. But for now, I'm just gonna leave that. So as you can see, I didn't draw the second because remember I told you guys I was gonna sell. So as you can see, I'm supposed to catch this sell also. As you can see, price is actually respecting. Let me just draw it. So disclaimer, right? Disclaimer, I didn't take this trade on any account. This trade was just mere analysis on the chart, which actually played out the way I analyzed. And that's the reason why I am doing a video about it. I didn't take this trade on any real account, and I didn't take the trade on any demo account either. If I probably took this trade on a real account, my emotions would have been involved. You can see there's a whole lot of things going on right on the chart. But remember, I always do psychological videos, psychology. So we are still working on our psychology, and the time we come in by, all these things won't freak us. So stay tuned to the channel. As I grow, you also grow with me. As I build my psychology, you also build your psychology. That's what we're here for. Don't forget, never give up and keep trading. So back to the video. Remember, I'm supposed to take this sell trade. Remember, right? So let me just draw it right here now on the video. So take a sell trade from here, from this point where the market tapped us in, and we're supposed to be in profit right now. Supposed to be in profit if I took this trade, which I didn't take the trade. So we're supposed to be in profit right here, and this is my target. So it's a new week, market is already opened. If you're watching this video, anticipate the market is going to get to this region where I have drawn this thing to. Remember, we don't control the market. All we can do is analyze and everything. It doesn't get there, alhamdulillah. If it gets there, alhamdulillah. So that's just the way I caught this particular trade, or this particular trade. It's a very easy way. You can follow HCFX Academy on Instagram. She does a lot of short videos, straight to the point, detailed video on how she plays her trade, and it was basically her Instagram videos I got this particular strategy from. Nothing much, wait for price to let me zoom in and explain it again here on the 15 minutes. After doing your top down analysis, don't forget, after doing top down analysis, mark out a break of structure, wait for price to retrace into the origin that created that break of structure, then you can take your trade. Now for confirmation, as you can see, I have a fair value gap aligning with the origin that created that break of structure. That's a confirmation. And I can also see market took out liquidity. This box, liquidity means money in the market, and my name is Fave Buck. Buck is actually money. Bucks is dollars. So I don't use the normal dollar sign. I use my name, Buck. So this buck means liquidity in the market is money. So you can see price took out liquidity, tapped us in and proved. So these are confirmations. Wait for you to confirm if the trade is going to be, at least to give you a little bit of rest of mind, because the market will always do its thing, but for you to have confirmations, fair value gap aligning with the origin, market is taking out liquidity, tapping you in, and just have rest of mind that the trade is actually going to play out well. So that is how I took that particular trade. Same thing with the second trade here. Remember, this particular region right here is my point trade where I'm going to take a sell from. So that's it. So my analysis, I'm going to just do a breakdown of my analysis for this particular week we are in, or maybe today. This thing might happen today or tomorrow. So I expect price. Let me delete this shit. I expect price has taken out liquidity, so I expect price to retrace back to this place. I expect price to cover up this fair value gap, and just retrace maybe into this fair value gap right here. So once price starts us in, price will go straight to our take profit, initial take profit. So from here, so this is what I expect price to do. I expect price to get to this level right here. Our stop loss will be a little bit let's just make it 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips stop loss, yeah, right there. So expect price to tap us in right here, then we take the trade. This stop loss is supposed to be right here. This stop loss is supposed to be right here, a little bit above, but I like to give my trades room to breathe. Market is crazy. This is where my stop loss is supposed to 30 pips stop loss is enough. So that's it, guys. That's the way I caught this trade. Don't forget to check out that lady on Instagram and YouTube. She's actually good, trust me. You can watch her videos for analysis and come watch mine for psychology. As I'm building my psychology, you're also building yours. So thank you guys for watching. And that was how I took this trade.
That was basically how I took that trade on GBP USD, and I hope you guys gain value from the trade, from the video, because you learn something. Even if you don't learn anything, just learn that you see a break of structure, using top-down analysis, mark out the origin, which price you trace into it, and take your trade. You can also check the lady out. It's the FX Academy on Instagram. Follow her, watch her videos. They're pretty short, and I think I'll start doing videos like that, but I just want to be on the psychology aspect of trading, talking about trading psychology. And trust me, with my current psychology level right now, this trade I broke down for you guys. If I actually took it on live account, I will not hold to that tip. No cap. There's no way I'm going to hold that trade, because that trade was just all over the place. It was just all over the place, really. I will hold to my TP. Remember, I had to take profit. I had TP1 and I had the last take profit is TP2, right? So I'm sure I'd have closed out in TP1, or maybe I would have taken part of the money at TP1. Then when I saw the market was messing up, I would have closed out the second position. 80, man. But we're still growing our psychology, we're still building, and trust me, follow the journey, follow the process. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more psychological videos, man. Protect your head. Everything in this Forex industry is psychology. You just have to work on your psychology, man, for you to be able to make profit in the industry. So that's the reason why I love doing more of psychology videos and than teaching analytical videos. So you want to see more psychology videos, then subscribe, share, and comment. I'm also documenting basic of forex for beginner traders. That's the basic of forex. Everything you need to know on the basic level. Everything you need to know. I'm documenting it and putting it in the playlist. So if you're a newbie trader and you're just coming into the forex industry, check out that playlist. I think I've done 2 videos on that, and I've promised to do a video on how to use MT5. I still have a long way to go on that particular video, on that particular playlist. I just have 2 videos yet. I'm gonna drop videos over time. So I just want to get more subscribers, there's more active people on the channel before I. For now, I would say the people, or the persons following that my video, I think they're just three for now. And I think they're anticipating my next video, which I've not dropped. I've been talking about psychology. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you gained value from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch my other videos. You might learn 1 or 2. And normally, I will see you guys at the top. Protect your psychology, a little bit of technicals, you make profit. PTP. See you guys at the top. Thank you for watching. Peace out.